Hi guys, so we are starting a new journey on YouTube. Hope you will show some love to us and support us. So today we are going to paint a sunset painting. This is a very easy painting for the beginners. So let's start with the painting. First you need to apply lemon yellow color at the bottom of your sheet and blend it with a moist brush. So I am using here flat shape brush number 12 to blend the color. Keep your brush moist so it will be easier for you to blend. What you need to do is to dip your color brush in the water and keep the excess water out with the help of a tissue. So the next step I'm taking a little darker yellow shade and applying it on the sheet and mixing it with the lemon yellow color. So like it will give a richer color shade and depth to the painting. After that, I'm taking a light reddish pinkish color and applying it on the sheet and blending it with the help of a moist brush again. Blend the edges sharply. Blend the edges sharply, and you need to stay calm and just paint. I'm adding now a darker red shade on the top and blending it with a flat shape brush. You need to blend it with a moist brush because it will be easier for you to blend if the brush is moist. Now for the perfect blending, I'm using round shaped brush to blend the color properly and giving it a depth. Now applying a more darker shade on a layer on the top and merging the color properly on the sheet. See, it's too easy, and after the painting will be completed, the gradient will be coming very rich. Now I'm taking a black color on the round shape brush number 10 and making some depth at the below and like a shape of grass, literally putting and dapping the color irregularly on the sheet. Give the highly pigmented color, and now I am here making a circle with the white color, and then with a small flat shape brush doing some lines on that so it will be looking real, and merging it with the help of the flat brush so it will not look harsh on the sheet. Pick some white shade and do at the yellow shade too so that it will be looking real, and blend it too. Take black paint and draw a line with the help of a small flat shape brush or a thin flat shape brush. And draw the pole. Now decrease the length of the pole and join the edges. See how simple is it? I had already applied the masking tape before, so the edges will be neat and clean after removing the tape. See how is it? The masking tape is optional. And the final look is this. So let me know in the comment section how's it. Hope you guys like the painting. Don't forget to subscribe.